time, Cipla was in fact one of the best performers among the basket of Nifty 50 stocks, surging about 4% in today's session. And this rally was despite promoters offloading about 2.5% of their stake via block deals, saying that they need the cash for philanthropic purposes. Now, Kranthi, I mean, typically from what I understand, when a promoter is selling stake in the company, and you would expect the stock price to fall, right? This is because such a sale can be perceived by the investors as lack of confidence from the insiders. But completely opposite happened in the case of Cipla today. Why is that, sir?
Yes, Suyash, you rightly mentioned it's a very contrarian view. But coming to the Indian context, when our promoter is diluting his stake, it can be perceived as a negative remark with respect to the market sentiment is concerned. But it's not the same case with all the companies. If the company have a strong board and there is a strong corporate governance if there is a strong management who are managing the company at this point of time, if the company have a strong CEO, it doesn't matter if the promoter is uh, selling the stake, reducing the stake, because if the more institutions are coming onto the board, there will be greater corporate governance and also transparency will be there. So that's what the case with Cipla, despite of the promoters are trimming their stake. They have done earlier also. They have been trimming their stake, but the market has been perceiving this development as a very positive direction. So yeah, just to refresh our memories, or just for food for thought for the investors. India in emerging market space, we have a highest amount of promoter holdings. But whereas if you get into the Western market, majority of the companies are corporate managed bodies, and also there are strong boards. They run the business than the promoter running the business.
Right.
In majority of the companies, the promoter shareholding is very less in most of the companies. That's where Cipla is gaining the momentum at this point of time, despite the promoters trimming their position.